going on, Jeremy? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I was told to shoot this over. Hopefully, you get to see it. If not, that is okay. So Nashville Painting Company. That's actually a really good name because anyone looking for anything painting, you're gonna pop right up. So just going through the area. I actually used to live in Smyrna, so that's actually cool. Project Prep. That's actually pretty cool. Most people don't have that. Services, reviews, why choose us. Paint it forward, which is a great thing to have. And then your free in-home quote. Full name, that's excellent. A lot of people don't have this, and it's such a simple tool, and I don't understand why they do not. But you do have your number throughout, and this one's not click to call, so definitely switch that to click to call, just like this one is over here. And just scrolling down, Nashville Painting Company. It's a good video. Most people don't care much for videos. They just want to move through it. You do talk about everything that you offer, which is good. You definitely have Learn More, which takes you to a new page. Very smart. And only thing I'd say is maybe talk a little bit more about it so you can get more keywords on your page. In-home quote, or not quotes, but like what you're doing, and then why choose us, and then more about what you're doing, or at least, assuring them about what you're doing. And then kind of get into the end over here. So I'm going to be very upfront with you. The website's good. I'm probably pretty sure I've compared you as one of the people to beat as far as you know competition goes. You do have one competitor there, but let's take a look at the back end, see what's really going on, see what we can do. So a UR rating is how strong your website link is over here. You have a 33, good spot to be in. Your trust rating though is not working too well. You only have a 12. Now you want these to be in the 30s and 40 range, ratio 1 to 1. Now the way you get them higher is with backlinks. So not all a backlink is basically where you have your link somewhere else that somebody can click on, and a referring domain is when it comes back to you. Now not all are created equal. Some are more spammy than others, like BuzzFeed or Wikipedia. So you definitely want to be careful of that one. I'm going to assume that some of these are going to be a lot more spammy because you only have 12 DR. But let's take a look at your organic keywords, which is what somebody might put into Google to find you. So we got Nashville Painting Company. That's your name. Although, gotta be honest, that's also a really good keyword. 350 people a month search for it. You're getting 133 people a month. That's great. Nashville Painting, 80 people a month. You're getting 30, and you are on position number 2. So you're doing really good with positioning as well. You need to be on, position 1, 2, and 3 typically. Front page is good, but if you look at your keywords, they're very location specific, Nashville, and they're very service specific, such as home painting company. So you're doing good with that one. Paint Nashville, 257. You're in position number 9. A lot of these are new, so I'm assuming you just revamped your company or your website, which is good. But let's take a look at what we see when we put in Painters Nashville, Tennessee, right? That's one of your bigger keywords. If we scroll down, we got affordable painters, house painting, and Sharpton painting. So you got a couple people beating you off your GMB. Definitely want to take a look at that, see if you can get that up there. But then when we have our organic search over here, we got Yelp and Nashville Design House Painters. So they're beating you out as well for this keyword. Because you do pop up after Hughes and Angie's the house painters. I believe that's you. Nope, that's not you. Nashville Painting Company. That's you. So you're actually number like 7 for this keyword over here. So you got a bit of a competitor over here. So let's take a look at what this guy is. Nashville House Painters. Let's take a look at what they got. Why does it look? Oh, okay, it's not similar at all. So anyway, get a virtual estimate. Numbers, click to call, pricing, locations, about us. They have a lot of locations. So as long as this is all the same area more or less. But anyway, talking a little bit about them. View their portfolio. Create your own personalized atmosphere. Keep your home beautiful. So essentially, they're just doing the same thing, and they are doing the services kind of the same way that you were. Get your quote, meet Rick and I guess it's Nisi, and then your 3 steps to getting it done. So they have a decent idea. This is just, I guess, jobs they've done. Sure, and then customers. I don't fully agree with any of that. Like, I don't see a reason to put your portfolio and your customers on here. But let's take a look at the back end. So you do have a higher UR rating of them, but they have a higher DR rating than they do, than you do. They have 590 backlinks to your 74 and 74 referring domains. Again, the ratio isn't so great for them at all, but they do have 400 different organic keywords, probably because of all the areas they're looking at. So let's take a look at this. House painters. This is 11,000 people searching. They are getting 203 people. Here's where their downside is. It's not location specific, which means anyone in the world can be searching for that. So the 203 people can be in Arkansas for all we know. Exterior painters, same deal. 4,367 of them, but unfortunately, again, it's not location specific. So exterior house painters, same thing. What they want, what you want, what they want, what everyone should want and strive for is House Painters Nashville. Location, 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 as well as this the service you're offering. 150, he's getting 19 because he's in position 2. See, so they are getting a lot. They're getting very down and dirty with exactly the keyword they're looking for. 150 a month. They're getting 12 of them every month. So typically, you'll rise from like maybe 5, 10, 12% once you get like 4, 3, and higher. And that's kind of what your big thing is. Interior standing, again, this is not a good keyword because it's international. So how does this really help you guys out? Like, I know you're already ranking really high. If you really just want to get to the top of the list, beat out your competition, it'll probably increase your ranking by about, I would say maybe about 50, 60 phone calls a month on that one. But I mean, honestly, I can't really say much about it because you're doing well. But if you wanted to beat your competition, you probably just need to do a more diverse approach to your organic keywords. Lock those down, maybe add a couple backlinks. You need more than your opponent does. So add backlinks, maybe about another 50 to 100 of them, and make them keyword specific as well, or link to keywords. That's all I really got. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Other than that, you have a good night.